are going to love the 2017 Nissan Maxima. Maxima offers elegance with an edge. The spacious interior provides refined comfort for up to 5 passengers. Advanced technologies such as Nissan Intelligent Key and push-button ignition offer convenience and control. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: heated seats, navigation system, traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, heated front seats, fog lights, electronic stability control, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, CD player, heated steering wheel, power moonroof, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.